this is AT again at Build with Rev. Alright, so we're back at the exhaust episode. We're still building the exhaust. So I'm just waiting for Sean to come over, help me out with the exhaust that we left off yesterday. And once he's here, we got a little bit of cleanup to do again, and then back at building it. So what we have right now is this. So we made this nice little 90 from the GTR piping. We built the bottom flange, basically, which is going at the test pipe of the lude, which was already there, and then we have the 3-inch, which is gonna get connected straight to the turbo. Once we have that all done, we'll have the downpipe completely ready to go, and then we have a little bit of work with the wastegate piping, which is right here. This is the old one. We removed it to see how it would fit with the new wastegate and the new turbo manifold, and apparently we need to chop it up at the flange, change the direction of it, and a little more piping to make it go down even lower in the car. Down the car. Once that's done, we are basically all set for the fab work. Oh yeah, we also gotta do a little bit more with the intercooler piping. So basically cut right there, right where the turbo inlet is, and cut it right here, and add a 90 coupler. So basically we don't need to do any fab work there. I can basically just make a cut right there, make a 90 coupler, and it'll just connect right there. And the rest is we're gonna keep basically the same, the way it was in the car before. I'll add a picture right up here on the screen for a second. So the way the car was before, you had everything was, so this car, when I bought it, obviously had a turbo on it, so it had all the intercooler pipes already done. So this is what it looked like before. Obviously we've gone through a lot more cleanup in the car. Powder coated the valve covers, got a brand new manifold, because the old manifold, if you want to take a look at it, this is the old manifold, and it looked like complete crap. So far, I'm 4 months into this car, and it is finally coming together. And once we're done with the fab work today again, we'll be able to get this car on the road. Not on the road, but on the road, on the way to the body shop, and get this car completely cleaned up. I have brand new set of brakes, rotors, calipers, everything brand new coming in. Once that's in, we're gonna install that. Brand new dot for brake fluid flush, and yeah, the car is will be ready to tune. Still a little bit of testing going on.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
That's it,
buddy.
That's the final version.
Let's go.
It's the final version of the downpipe.
So it throws off as a 90, but it's not. It got a little Adam's apple in there.
Yeah. See that face right here? You know when you get that face? When all the fab work is all done. You know how that's done? This man over here. Right here.
Wesley Pipes.
We did it all in the backyard. You know how this is done? This is done with the GTR piping, baby. GTR piping. That's actually from a GTR stock exhaust. We cut it all up in the pie cuts. This man cut it up in the pie cuts, all nice and clean, and we welded them all together. This is sick, and this is a perfect fitment. I'm going to show you right now. This car here is going to be a banger, because this fits perfect. We got the screamer pipe over here. It's a perfect U. That's exactly what I want to show you. It's a U. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this one.
Alright, what are you looking at? Talk about it.
Okay, so I want everyone to know that I know that this, it looks kind of nice, but we're using, what, 3 different types of metals here. So we got fresh stainless, we had used piping, as you said, and then we had steel. So kind of see with the flux core, it's not the nicest, but it's more about how it fits. It was one and done, so pop it in, get the clamps down, and we're good to go. So good.
All test fitted, it all works perfect, it's nice, it's clean, and it's all gonna get wrapped up, and we're gonna pack up this car because this was the last piece in the puzzle that was missing. The car leaves to body shop in a couple of days. So when it's back, we're gonna have another episode to show you what we have turned out of this car. This car is completely different from how it was before. A lot of work went into it, and a lot of people I have to thank for. I'm gonna thank Rob, Dakota, Sean, the big man over here, my main Honda clutch. Come over here, boy, come over here.
What up,
My
what
main
up, what
Honda
up?
clutch over here. All the way from fixing the harness, from buying the car actually. We actually went to look at the car together, buying the car together, getting all the harness fixed up, getting all the fab work done, getting all the quarter panels done. Bruh, thanks a lot. This is gonna be a crazy, crazy project. I'm so ready for it. Peace.